Welcome to Simple Vigo. Today we'll be doing coconut dumpling. As you can see here guys, we have a coconut. This is a small size. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna grate this coconut. Okay, just gonna cut it up in small strips so that it will be more manageable. Okay guys, so we're gonna quickly grate the coconut. We're gonna use the small side of the grater. Right, you have different sides on the grater, but this is the smallest, right? But we're gonna use a medium, right, of the smallest size. Guys, you could get this done quicker. You could use your blender, just add a small amount of water and cut up the coconut very fine, very small, and add it in and just pulse your coconut. And I don't really like it like that, but that's another option for you. It's much easier than this because this can damage your finger. Just before you reach the smallest part of this coconut, you're gonna make sure you stop grating and get rid of it because you may damage your finger on these sharp edges. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Sometimes you're grating the coconut and your hands may slip. Your hand may slip from off the coconut and you may damage your hand. So even that, you have to be very careful. These edges are very sharp. Okay guys, so I reached to this small piece. I will not go any further because I know I'm gonna damage my finger. It may slip and I may damage my finger. I don't want that. We don't want any accident, okay? So just move on to another piece. Okay guys, so this is it. We are finished. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna pour the coconut into a bowl. Add some sugar. This is about 1/4 cup. A little ground cinnamon powder. This is nutmeg. I'm just gonna grate a small amount in it. Less than 1/4 teaspoon. Add a little salt. And you just mix everything and merge all the ingredients together. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add flour to this now. I'll be using all-purpose flour. I'll be using 3½ cups of flour, okay? So you just mix up all of this. Okay, at this time what you could do, you could taste the mixture just to see if you have enough salt. Right, you don't want to add too much salt to it. They have sugar in it as well. So maybe a teaspoon and a half would be okay. Just gonna add a little more salt in mine. Okay, so after you mix all the ingredients together, right, and you have a texture like this, so you know everything mixed evenly, right, then you're gonna add some water. You're gonna add water at intervals. And another reason why you don't want to pour lots of water one time, because remember the coconut already have juice. The grated coconuts have juice in it, so you have to consider that as fluids as well. Okay, so basically you just, there's not a set amount of water, as I said earlier. You just mix until the dough is fully formed, like this. You don't want your dough to be too soft either. Okay, just nice and firm. Okay, look at this, guys. You can see in the small pieces of coconut. Yeah, small pieces of coconut in the dough. Okay, guys, so if the dough is a bit sticky, what you could do, you could just add a little more flour. Okay. Alright, so this is what I'm doing now. I'm gonna make some dumplings. Look at this, guys. You could do them to whatever size of your choice. Would that be medium, small, or large? Doesn't matter. Okay, guys, I already have some water on the fire. Right, pot is boiling up. Add in my coconut dumplings. Okay, so we just allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, and we're gonna add some potatoes to the pot. Okay. Okay, guys, I have some sweet potato here. I'm gonna cook these with the coconut dumplings. Okay. Okay, guys, so the coconut dumplings are finished. So we're gonna serve now. Okay, guys, so this is the finishing of our coconut dumplings. Thank you very much for spending time with me in the kitchen, and see you in the next video. Bye.